Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make truly tasty mushroom soup. First, begin by sautéing 1 pound of your favorite sliced mushrooms in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil until they are beautifully golden and tender. Next, add 1 medium diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot. Cook these aromatics gently for about 5 minutes until they become soft and fragrant, releasing their wonderful flavors into the pan. Now, let's build that rich base. Stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with the mushrooms and onions, cooking for 1 minute to create a light roux. Slowly whisk in 4 cups of warm vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring no lumps form. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then add 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme and a single bay leaf. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For that irresistible creamy texture, first remove the bay leaf from the pot. Carefully transfer about 2/3 of the soup to a blender and process until smooth. Return the blended soup to the pot, then stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream. You can blend more or less of the soup depending on how chunky or smooth you prefer your final result. Heat gently, but do not boil, to maintain the creaminess. Finally, it's time to perfect your masterpiece. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right. Ladle your delicious mushroom soup into bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or a delicate drizzle of truffle oil. Serve this warm, comforting soup immediately with some crusty bread for a truly satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.